Today we'll talk about how can you change name on your Walmart shop. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account here, so just switching to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on personal info here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to phone name here, click here on edit, sorry. So it's going to show for you like this, click here on edit here. When you click here on edit here, it's going to take you to, it's going to show for you this like this, and here can you see, change here your first name and here last name, and you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.